In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom menu in WordPress. Whether you're sprucing up a blog or polishing a professional site, understanding how to manage your site's navigation is a powerful skill. So let's dive in and explore how to make a custom menu that stands out. To get started, you'll want to go to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, look for the Appearance option on the left-hand side. Click on it, and then select Editor. The Editor section is essentially your workspace for crafting the look and feel of your site. From here, we can make the necessary adjustments to your template and ensure your menu is positioned exactly where you want it to appear. Next, we need to choose the template part for your menu, such as the header. Why the header, you might ask? This is often the ideal spot for a menu because it ensures that your site's main navigation is visible from every page, giving your visitors easy access to all your content. Once you're in the editor, you should see various template parts, like the header, footer, or even custom ones if you've created them. Click on the desired part where your menu will go. Once you've selected your template part, it's time to insert or edit the navigation block. WordPress makes this user-friendly by allowing you to do it visually. In the editor, look for the plus icon or the Add Block option. Search for the navigation block, which is specifically designed for menus. If you've already got a navigation block in place and you just want to tweak it, click on the block to start editing. When it comes to adjusting links or submenus, WordPress offers a visual interface that makes this process straightforward. You can drag and drop your links to rearrange them in the order that makes the most sense for your site. If you want to create drop-down menus for subcategories or related pages, you simply nest one item under another by dragging it slightly to the right. This nesting feature is handy for keeping your menu organized and user-friendly. After you've crafted your menu to perfection, there's one important step left: saving your changes. Look for the Save button in the top right corner of the editor. Click it to ensure all your hard work is officially published on your live site. This is the moment when your custom menu goes from an idea to reality, now visible to everyone visiting your site. And there you have it, a brand new custom menu for your WordPress site. By following these steps, you've gained the know-how to not only create, but also customize your site's navigation, enhancing both its aesthetic appeal and functionality. Remember, a well-designed menu is key to a user-friendly experience. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!